Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we're trying to find a distance on a pyramid with a rectangular base. Just to be awkward, this does not have a square base. And so we're looking to find the distance between A and Y. Now, the way in which you do this is by creating a triangle on the inside of this pyramid. I hope you can see that clearly. So what I've drawn is a dotted line up there from the center of the base of this pyramid, which we can find simply by drawing diagonals between the corners. This point here, and this point, and this point here, and this point. Once we know this measurement, we already know this measurement, it's 32 centimeters, because that's the height of this thing. Once we know this measurement, we can find this measurement. So let me just take this out of the pyramid. That is 32 centimeters. We are looking for that initially. That is a right angle. Let's get that in frame for you. We are looking for that initially, and eventually we are looking for that, which is the distance from A to Y. Now, the question is, how do we find this? So, here is the base of the pyramid, badly drawn, but nevertheless, it's drawn. And that is 24, and that is 28. And what we are looking for is we're looking for the center of the base of the pyramid. And if you can imagine my pen going sort of straight up out of that, that's that measurement there. So what we need to know, because A is here and Y is up in the air here somewhere, that's big Y and that's little y. Maybe I made a mistake there. Let's call that Z. That solves the problem. We're looking for this distance here. Well, this is a rectangular pyramid. These are all right angles. So what we have is we have ourselves a right angle triangle. Not unlike this, but just with different measurements. So we can find this distance here really easily. It is the square root of 24 squared plus 28 squared. And if we find that, we need half of that to get the base of this. So let's get to work. Okay, so 24 squared plus 28 squared, and we find the square root of that. And the square root of that is 36.88, we'll say. We're working to the nearest centimeter, so I don't mind rounding at this stage. Half that distance will be 18.44. That distance there. Okay, so 18.44, we have our base, we have our height, we have a squared plus b squared equaling, in this case, z squared. So let's go to work. 18.44 squared plus 32 squared, square root thereof will give us z. This will be over really, really quickly. It is 36.93 centimeters. Now that looks right, because this is the long edge. These two sides here, in fact all the sides, slope in, so you would expect these to be a greater distance. This is 32, this is 18, this comes in at 36, 37 actually, because we were asked to find it to the nearest centimetre. Nearest centimetre to 36.93 is 37. So that is how we did this. We constructed a right-angled triangle on the inside of the pyramid. Looking down at the pyramid, we used Pythagoras to find this distance here. We halved it to get the distance from there to there. And then it's just a matter of some more Pythagoras, which gives us our length. And the length from A to Y to the nearest centimetre is 37 centimetres. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting and useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.